Ever felt that tight squeeze? You know, that moment when payday feels like a distant dream and your bills are doing a synchronized swimming routine in your inbox? We've all been there. And in those moments, the siren call of instant cash solutions like Beforepay can sound incredibly tempting. But here's the kicker: what if your credit history looks like it was written by a toddler with a crayon? Can you still get that sweet early access to your wages? Let's be real. Credit scores. Those three little digits that seem to dictate so much of our financial lives. They're like the bouncers at the Club of Financial Freedom, and if they're not impressed, you're standing outside in the cold. So, naturally, when we hear about services like Beforepay, the question burns: do they care about those numbers? Do they peek behind the curtain and judge us based on our past financial faux pas? The thing is, the landscape of fintech is shifting. It's not just about those traditional credit checks anymore. Companies are digging deeper, looking beyond the surface. They're trying to understand the real you, the person behind the score. And that's where things get interesting. Beforepay, like many of its peers, isn't necessarily fixated on your credit history in the same way a traditional lender would be. They're more interested in your current financial situation. Are you receiving regular income? Can you demonstrate a history of consistent pay? These are the questions that truly matter. They're looking for stability, for predictability. They want to see that you're a responsible individual who can manage your finances, even if your past wasn't perfect. Think of it like this: your credit score is like a yearbook photo. It captures a moment in time, but it doesn't tell the whole story. Beforepay wants to see the highlight reel of your current financial habits. They want to know if you're a reliable player in the game, not just a snapshot of a past fumble. Now, don't get me wrong. This doesn't mean your credit history is completely irrelevant. Some level of assessment will likely occur. But it's not the be-all and end-all. The focus is on your income, your spending habits, and your ability to repay what you borrow. They're looking for evidence of your ability to manage your finances now. So, can you use Beforepay with no credit? The answer is a resounding maybe. It's not a simple yes or no. The key lies in demonstrating your current financial stability. Focus on building a consistent income stream, managing your expenses wisely, and showing that you're a reliable individual. Remember, fintech is about access, about breaking down those traditional barriers. It's about giving people a chance, even if their past isn't perfect. And that's a powerful thing. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.